2019 Ram 1500 HEMI 5.7 liter classic. As you guys can see right there, sexy truck. What we got done on it, factory converter there, wise into a single there. Then 3.5 inch, we added 3.5 inch pipe, a Flowmaster Pro XS, Flowmaster Pro XS, really. A BORLA Pro XS. Good Lord, end of the day, guys. BORLA Pro XS right there, single in, dual out. So you'll have a link in the description for it. BORLA Pro XS. Then it comes dualed out the back, as you guys can see on each side. We left the resonators there. And we added some 4.5 inch tips out the back. There'll be a link in the description for them too. There's the part number on the BORLA Pro XS, 40349. There'll be a link in the description for it also. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, sharing is caring. And I know you guys care, so make sure you share this video and let everybody know about us. We'd really appreciate everything you guys do for us. Ooh. Again? Is that exactly what you're looking for? Not too much. The nice thing about BORLA, you don't hear it inside. Very little. Again? Especially when you're like coasting on the freeway or whatever on trips. That's perfect. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 96. Go ahead and back it out. That sounds phenomenal. You don't want too loud, you just want it nice and tone. And BORLA always delivers. Let you guys hear on the inside.